Since the ending of Halloween time, the Disneyland Resort has been transitioning to this year's next holiday celebration. Beginning here at the turnstiles, where the Halloween pumpkins have been removed. Not only did the Mickey floral return to normal, but Mickey and Pals have too. One in particular, whom I ran into, was Dale. Hi, Dale. Oh, yep, you look fabulous. You look fabulous.
Up close and personal. Yes.
Yep, you look great, Dale. Just in time to see the Disneyland band processing their way down Main Street, USA. Later at noon, the band arrived again with the rest of his pals in their usual formation. Not only has the spot been without the Mickey pumpkin for a while, but Sleeping Beauty Castle has been capped with snow for a couple of weeks now. With icicles and garland going up these past few days as well. Also on that day, I spotted Moana and Merida by Snow White's wishing well. Moana, how lucky I ran into you.
Yeah, how are you?
Doing good, how about you?
I'm doing great. What brings you here to Disneyland today?
Well, did you hear the news?
What news?
Magic Happens is coming back.
Oh, that's so exciting.
I talked to you about that last time I was here.
Yeah, so that means Pooh and Hey Hey are going to be joining us.
And Maui, of course.
Maui. Well, Maui's
I never
always
got a
joining
chance
us.
to see him because it was right before the shutdown when the parade started. I didn't get a chance to see it, so I'm looking forward
So
to
you're
it.
going to be very excited for that coming up. Very nice.
Yep, next spring, right?
Yeah, I think that
Yeah,
sounds
they haven't
about
announced
right.
the date yet, but it's next spring. Yeah. Okay.
Well, good to see you today.
And you too. Hi, Merida.
Hello there.
How are things in Scotland these days?
It's lovely. It's quite chilly over there right now.
Oh, and it's
so
starting to
I'm
get chilly
loving
here
this
too,
weather.
yeah.
We're the opposite. She's used to cold weather. I'm
Oh,
not.
of course.
So to me, this is cold.
Bye.
I have to go check. Oh, what have we here?
Hello. Hello there.
Have you come to practice your bows and curtsies?
Not necessarily.
No. Well, it's a perfect opportunity.
Oh, okay.
Go ahead.
But wait, people bow to me. I'm the chief.
But you're not wearing a crown.
I don't need a crown. I have no hard to
You know, she reminds me a lot of my mum back home.
Oh, we can
Maybe.
Let's leave, everyone. Come on. Hi.
Hi.
Sorry about the evil queen. She's
It's a Small World has been under its annual holiday refurbishment for the past weeks or so too. With its Santa Claus hat now upon the face of the clock. This attraction is scheduled to reopen on November 11th.
Oh, you got it? Okay.
Boba Fett and Fennec are on a mission off foes. They made us stop in one spot for too long. It's up to them. Boba does
In Star Wars Galaxy's Edge, it was a little surprising to see Boba Fett and Fennec Shand still greeting guests here on Batuu.
Fennec, how are you doing today?
Yes, I'm peaceful.
Can I ask you a question? There are rumors that the Mandalorian may be paying Batuu a visit. Do you know anything about that?
Maybe. The Mando does
He
missions
does
all
what he
across
wants
the
and goes
galaxy.
where he wants, yes.
I will say that Mando was currently with the kid. Those two are inseparable. And there
Okay.
is a chance he may be visiting us very shortly.
Yep, that's what the rumor is, and I'm looking forward to it myself. And enjoy your day.
This shall more than likely be the last time these holiday decorations adorn Splash Mountain. No official date has been announced for its closure as of yet. But yours truly plans to ride this classic attraction as often as possible. That'll be us later.
I'm gonna get a little mini one right now. This one right here.
Yep, the first drop. And that final drop, which I never tire of, shall always be part of it. The Mardi Gras themed holiday decorations have been up for a while here in New Orleans Square. Excluding It's a Small World and the Adventureland Treehouse, the only remaining refurbishment project is Monsters, Inc. Mike and Sulley to the rescue. The blue tarps and most of the scaffolding have finally come down to reveal this fresh coat of paint upon its facade. Currently, this attraction is rumored to reopen on November 18th. Unlike Main Street USA, Buena Vista Street already has its Christmas tree up. Also up is this Festival of Holiday sign above the California Adventures entrance.
And driver, you are cleared.
Looks like everything is properly set for this year's upcoming holiday celebration. But a final and important item remains to be placed, which can be spotted on the Mickey and Pals tram. So, the next time you encounter preparations for your favorite holiday season at Walt Disney's original Magic Kingdom, be sure to do that during your next visit to the resort.